ladies and gentlemen. My name is Astimira Priscilla. I'm from Deja Rwampara, and I am...
Ninga Chabram. Nico, Skana majority. Nico, Nico went to Ajana, your DJ. Even English I can speak. So I've started now English. I wanted to be sure these girls can model. And now that they can, I think they can go back to their seats and then we call the official models of the day. Mwa kundai? Kanazumu rumu kaunama. Yori, wanji? Wa? Wa brown? Wakuna wa brown? Bamukereze? Bamutwara? Yulamwachi? Oya abajanya bakuru bariya twatwina abandi abajanya bano wasibya hejuru kafutera tukareba umupira tutakunda tukakora ibintu tukarinda turizira abana rungi abica barungi kuruka muri Rwampara district yona bitu notinda smile day basmile njire.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Crispa. I'm a 21-year-old Ugandan. I come from Bushenya, Kawale, Uganda, Rwampara. I'm a student at Metropolitan International University, offering bachelors in social work and social development. Okay, no more barunji barya harayin. The church, yay! All right.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pamela, aged 27 years. I'm from Bushiro, Rwampara, holding diploma in secretarial studies.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Astimira Priscilla. I'm from Deja Rwampara, and I am 18 years old. And I'm a student at City High School.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wamine GDP. I'm 18 years old, Ugandan, and I'm from Shanje Bugamba Rwampara in River Town Council, Rwampara East. I'm a student at Citizens High School.
Nyakaguru Town Council, age 21. I'm a student at Acacia International, Kampala.
Thank you, DJ. Nabanisha bangu mureke kukingira abantu abayemba sharempa kamwe mwirenga hariya kugira ngo basharemba kureba mwene basharebe iyo mazina abikikaye sije nguye numbakunda tugendera.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkore Fortunate, student at Children's High School.
Bijawe murikire ariko ashobora ishongore orukuzina zine orukutakurira tagure nibyinje barabakore. So do not leave before they finish because we have a lot for you in store, right?